Yes, dear students, today we are going to discuss about the suspended thread charge system. This is one of the most important topic for our JEE, NEET and all state board entrances like Karnataka CET and Andhra CET, Telangana CET, Manipal CET, Maharashtra CET. So for like such cases, such entrances, they will be keep on asking this kind of questions. Okay, so let me go to the topic. How the questions they will ask you, how they can frame also, I'll show you. Okay. So fine. Now you look at here, Nana. Suspended thread charge system we are taking. Okay, in this what they given means R they given, L is they given in the question. Okay, theta we assumed. Okay, I assume theta. L they given, R they given. Since charge Q, M, Q, M they given, I taken charge theta also same. Generally, which all things will act downward you check, Nana. So on any one charge you indicate the free body diagram. So downward what will act, Nana? Mg. Right side electrostatic force will come, Nana. Since it is the thread na, if these both forces pulling outward, in this direction one force will come, that is tension, nana. In this direction what will come? Electrostatic force Fe, sir. Downward what will come? Mg will come, sir. So how can we write electrostatic force in this case? Tell me. Fe equal to electrostatic force. Force between two charges, right? K into, what is charge value here? This is Q, this is also Q. K into Q will be how much? Q square divided by, distance between them is how much, nana? R square. Now I would like to break this vectors into components, nana. How can you break vector into components here? Means let me choose one vector. I'm choosing like this here. I'm choosing. When you choose a vector like this, you can clearly say that this angle is theta. If this angle is theta, nana, here what angle this can be, nana? Theta. Why? Because this is vertically opposite angle. If you break t into components, now what will get in this case, nana? T cos theta. So opposite side what will get, nana? T sin theta will get it. If system is in equilibrium, what will happen? We just observe carefully. If system is in equilibrium, clearly we can say that T sin theta should get balanced with Fe. T cos theta should balance with Mg, na? Yes, sir. So T sin theta should get balanced with what, na? Fe. Okay. T cos theta should balance with what, na? T cos theta should balance with what, na? Mg, sir. Yes, na? So make this equation number 1, na? Make this equation number 2. Now what you need to do means you divide these both of them. What will happen? Check, na? T sin theta, T cos theta divide. So if you observe here now 1 by 2. If you divide these both, now tt will get cancelled, sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta by cos theta? We know clearly that is tan theta. So tan theta equal to what we can write, Nana? Fe divided by mg. Fe divided by what we can write, Nana? Mg, which we can write it here. Okay, sir. Next, what I'm telling, how to find the tension, they may ask you question. How can you answer that question now? You just add and square and add these both equations, Nana. So this is 1 square plus this is 2 square. You square these both and add them. So if I observe here, no? In this both, if I square, no, t square, you can take the common. Take the t square common. T square equal to what you can write? Sin square theta plus, okay, my bad. So you take t square common. If you take t square common, what left here? Sin square theta plus what left, nana? Cos square theta, na? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to RHS side what left, nana? Fe square plus mg whole square, nana. If you observe clearly, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1. Therefore, t square equal to what we got, nana? Fe square plus what we can write, nana? Mg whole square, sir. Sir, I need tension. Then send the square RHS side. T equal to what you can write, nana? Root of Fe square plus Mg whole square. Okay, good. Okay, sir, fine. Next, how come they can frame the questions based on this? Let me check. Fe value is this, tan theta value is this. Okay, let me rewrite the equation, this equation once. Tan theta equal to what you got, nana? Tan theta equal to Fe divided by Mg. Fe value what we got in the earlier slide, you remember that tan theta equal to Fe value I got like kq square by r square times what I got, nana? Mg. Now I am going to choose a triangle like this, nana. Sir, which triangle you are choosing? In the diagram I am choosing one right angle triangle. Like this I choose one right angle triangle. So which right angle triangle, sir, means let me go to previous slide only. This is L, this is theta, this is total is R, na? If total is R means half of that will be how much, nana? R by 2. Okay, find the triangle you take. This angle is how much, nana? This angle is theta here. This is L, sir. This is R by 2. From this you find the sin theta, nana. Sin theta if you find, now what we can write, nana? Opposite by hypotenuse, na? What is opposite in this case, sir? Sir, R by 2 divided by L, sir. Which means that what will you get here? Sin theta equals to R by 2L, which you are going to get here. Fine, sir, we got that. Then how can we approach remaining question? If in the question, if they given condition like this, what they given? If L is more greater than distance between the charges, R. Ulta also they can give. R is more less than L also they can give you. In that cases, we might be studied in mathematics sandwich theorem. What is sandwich theorem? Tan theta value, okay, otherwise sin theta value might be written. Both are same only. Sin theta should be almost equal to what, Nana? Tan theta. That should be almost equal to what, Nana? Theta. What is sin theta? We got it in this case, Nana. Sir, r by 2l, which we got it in this case, sir. What is tan theta, Nana? Sir, tan theta, I got it that k q square by r square mg, Nana. Based on this n number of numericals they have framed on previous NEET to previous JE, previous EAMCET to previous KCET, wherever you go check. Now, send this r square this side, Nana. If you send r square this side, now r cube is equal to what will happen? Tell me, Nana. R cube equal to what left out? You just rewrite here. Send this 2 this side 2 k, and this is q square into send this L also this side L divided by denominator what left, Nana? Mg. This is one of the most important in thread chart system, Nana. Why? Because based on this 5 to 6 times they asked in many competitive exams. So NEET they asked you 3-4 times, JE they asked you, they'll be keep on asking. Okay, sir, what is the surety? What is the surety means? Nothing surety, Nana. You need to go and check the POQs. Okay, POQs will be having questions, Nana. Go and check these questions, sir. Fine. Now look at this question, Nana. I'm taking one numerical, sir. If they ask you numerical, Nana, how to tackle with this kind of question, I'm going to give you. Okay, fine. What is the question they given, Nana? L value 20 centimeter, okay, R value 2 centimeters means obviously what was the condition they given? That condition only, which condition? L is, 1 second, pen is not selected properly. So what is the condition they given here? L is more greater than R only. That condition what given? Means this formula we can use here. Okay, what are the values they given? You substitute here, but take care about the mass, Nana. What is the mass? You tell me in this case. Mass equal to 9 milligrams. 9 milli means what? Milli means 10 power minus 3. Into gram means 10 power minus 3 kg. Means mass you got for this example 9 into 10 power minus 6 kg, sir. And check about the length, Nana. Length 20 centimeters they given, 20 into 10 power minus 2 meters. Means what you can write? Length equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 meter also, which we can write it in this case, Nana. Okay, we just start substituting the values. R cube. R is how much, Nana? 2 centimeters. It's not just 2 centimeters, 2 into 10 power minus 2 meters, which we can write it. This conversion you should have idea. R cube is what you can write, Nana. R cube is 2 centimeters cube, na, means 2 into 10 power minus 2 whole cube. Means how much, Nana? 2 cube is 8, Nana. Okay, we'll write 8, sir, here. 8 into 10 power minus 2 whole cube is how much, Nana? 10 power minus 6 is equal to 2 into k. K value how much, Nana? Sir, 9 into 10 power 9, which I know, sir. Into q square. We are going to find that q only. Q value is only question mark. We need to find the q value. Into L. Length value 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters can be written as in terms of meters what? 2 into 10 power minus 1 meters. Divided by, listen properly, students. Divided by mass value much, Nana? Mass value much, Nana? 9 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, into g value. G is nothing but acceleration due to gravity, Nana. What is that value? Approximately consider like 10 you consider. Okay, if you observe carefully, some cancellation going to happen, Nana. This 9 going to get cancelled. If you observe carefully, here 1 2 is there, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Here another 2 is there, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja will get cancelled, Nana. If you observe carefully, 10 power minus 1 no 10 power minus 6 will get cancelled. How much, Nana? 10 power minus 5 will get it, Nana. If I take this 10 power minus 5 this side, what will happen, and take this 9 also this side will come to the numerator, na, with a negative sign. So this is q square, not q. Okay, q square is equal to what will get checked, Nana, in this case, sir. Okay, here 1 2 is there, yes, sir. 2 into 10 power minus 6 to 10 power minus 5, how much, Nana? 10 power minus 11. 10 power minus 11 into 10 power 9, how much, Nana? 10 power minus 11 into 10 power minus 9, 10 power minus 20. Okay, so what we are getting? 10 power minus 6 this thing. 10 power minus 6 here. 10 power minus 1 here. Minus 1 no. Minus 6 cancel. Minus 5. Okay. 10 power minus 5 is going here, no. 10 power minus 11. Write that. 10 power minus 11. 10 power 9 is this. If it comes to denominator, no, what will happen? Check. 10 power 9. If it goes to numerator, no. 10 power minus 9. So if you observe here, now q square equal to what get, Nana? 2 into 10 power minus 20, which you are going to get it here, Nana. 2 into 10 power minus 20, we got it, na. Fine. If you want q, now what we can write, Nana? Q equals to what you can write, Nana? Root 2 into 10 power minus 20. Yes, 1 second, Nana. We forgot about here 10, na. Let me take that 10 also consideration. We forgot check here. That 10 you take here into 10. So into what will you get, Nana? 10. Okay. What will happen? Check in this case 10 power minus 19, na. So q square equal to what will get in this case? 2 into 10 power minus 19, Nana. So q equal to what will get in this case? Root 2 into 10 power minus 19 root, we got it, Nana. SI unit is what, Nana? Coulombs, which we can write it in this case. Let me go to next example. This example which they given in NEET 2016 also they asked you, NEET 2013 also they asked you. Two charges is there. You read the question, okay? Two charges is there separated by what distance? D. They given D more less than L. That shortcut which we studied, that will be useful here, okay? Which we create formula. And theta. What will happen? Due to electrostatic repulsion, this charge started leaking. Charge started leaking means what will happen? These both will go together because electrostatic repulsion decreases when charge decreases. With what velocity these both going together? They're asking. Okay. So what is the equation which we studied earlier? You check. This thing we learned, sir. If you observe carefully, in this equation, what you can tell me? 2 is constant, K is constant, L is constant, Mg is constant in this problem. Read the problem. 2 is a constant, K is constant, but Q is at the constant rate it's changing. Means what I can write? R cube proportional to, let me write here. R cube proportional to what I can write? Only remaining thing is Q square variable. Q square. Means R power 3 by 2 proportional to what? Q. Let me take that equation here. R power 3 by 2 proportional to Q. Differentiate with respect to time both side. What I can write? 3 by 2 into R power 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 is how much? R power 1 by 2 into dr by dt. Yes, sir. Dr by dt is proportional to what? Dq by dt. So how can you rewrite this equation? 3 by 2 into R power 1 by 2 into dr by dt is what? Velocity proportional to dq by dt. If you observe carefully, in according to question, dq by dt is constant rate. Means dq by dt is constant. 3 by 2 also number constant. Means v proportional to what? R power minus 1 by 2. Means according to given option, which option is correct? Option B is correct. Fine. Let me go to next. One more NEET question. In this NEET question, what they mentioned here means, initially length is how much? Theta. When they fix at L by 2 distance, distance between them obviously changes. When they come closer, electrostatic repulsion is more. Because force inverse proportional to R square, that's why R dash changes. How does R dash changes? They're asking question. So again we can use this formula only. What we can use, tell me in this case? In this case, charge is same only. K also same, 2 also same, mass also same, G also same. What is variable? L. Means what you can write? R cube is proportional to L, sir. Means R proportional to what? L power 1 by 3. So R dash by R equal to L dash how much in this case? L by 2 L by 2 divided by, for this R proportional length is how much? L L, sir. Divided by what will get? Whole power what will get? Whole power 1 by 3 is there, sir. If you observe, L will get cancel. So R dash equal to what will get? R by what will get? 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 3 means what I can write? Cube root of 2 . So in a single line we have done this problem. This problem also previous NEET problem. Okay. Such kind of problems they can ask you in NEET exam also, JEE exam also. Be careful. Okay. Fine. Let me go to next problem. Gravity free space. Or in the question vocabulary they will use artificial satellite. In artificial satellite also what will create acceleration due to gravity is 0 only. Okay. When there is no gravity, downward pulling is not there at all. Then what will happen? You on this fellow electrostatic force will act in this direction, on this fellow electrostatic force will act this direction. Both will go upward. Means this fellow will become like this fellow will go like this in this direction, this fellow will go until this like this, until they'll come to horizontal level. Okay. If you observe here now, on this fellow in this direction, what force is there? What is that electrostatic force? K Q divided by what you can write? Distance between them how much became? 2L. 2L whole square is how much? 4L square, sir. 4L whole square, 4L square, 4L square, because 2L whole square. And away from the mass, what will come? Tension. If anybody asks you what is the tension, means K Q square divided by what you can write? 4L square we can write it, sir. And tension will be away from the mass. And what is this angle? If they ask what is the angle between two threads? Theta should be equal to much? 180 we can write it. Okay. Very good problem. Keep remembering. Okay. Fine. Next, suspended thread charge system. This kind of problems they asked in KCET once. Okay. Karnataka entrance. So check it properly. What they mentioned in the question is, if Q1 greater than Q2, what will happen? They're asking. What will happen? Let me try to solve. Downward what will act? Tell me here. Mass M they given. What will come? Mg. Here also downward what will act? Mg. On this fellow what will come? In this direction? K Q1 Q2 divided by, let us assume this distance R they given. R square. On this fellow also same force will come. Electrostatic repulsion. Action reaction. K Q1 Q2 divided by what will come? R square. On this sphere, on this bob, left side what is the force acting? On this sphere same force acting right side. Downward Mg is acting here also downward. Obviously net force on the system is same on this fellow, on this fellow. Means theta 1 should be equal to what? Theta 2. Theta 1 should be equal to what? Theta 2. Fine. Now let me look at this question. What they told? If M1 greater than M2, Correct? M1 greater than M2, what will happen? Let me check. I'm going to show you in the next slide. K Q1 Q2 by R square this side, K Q1 Q2 by R square this side will act. Downward here M1G, here downward M2G. In the question they said that M1 greater than M2. M1 greater than M2 means what will happen? M1G greater than what I can say? M2G. Since these both are forces equal, I didn't mention in this case. Since M1G is more, this fellow will go more down. This fellow will go little up. Why? Because here more force is pulling, here less force is pulling. Obviously this comes down means this fellow comes down like this means this fellow goes little up means theta 2 increasing. Theta 2 increasing means your option they should give like this. What will happen? Theta 1 is decreasing. Theta 1 less than theta 2 they should give. This is the correct option. Okay. While writing we made the mistake while writing the options. Sir, what is nota in this case? Nota in this case nothing but none of the above which we can mention. Okay, fine. Let me go to this problem. Earlier question they used to give the R value. In this question what they are giving here? Theta value they are giving. When they give theta value, how to solve? Let me check. This is L, this is theta. So opposite thing can be written as what? Sir, I can write that L sin theta. I know that, sir. The same way, if this is L, this is theta. What you can write? L sin theta, which we can write it, sir. Okay, fine. Now same thing let me apply here. Downward what will act? Mg will act, sir. Right side what will come? Coulombic force. How much is that? Check. K Q by distance 2L sin theta. Okay, fine. Let me mention like Fe, namesake. Okay, Fe I'm mentioning. Okay. Then in this direction what will come? Tension. So you extend one vector in this direction. This angle is theta. This angle also much theta. This can be written as what? T cos theta. Theta side. Opposite what you can write? T sin theta. In equilibrium condition, all forces should get balanced. That is called equilibrium. Means T sin theta should be equal to Fe. T sin theta should be equal to Fe, sir. Same way T cos theta should be equal to what? Mg. T cos theta should be equal to what? Mg. If you observe carefully, so make this equation number 1, make this equation number 2, try to write the Fe equation. How to write the Fe, K, Q1 value also Q, Q2 value also Q, so Q into Q will be KQ square divided by L sin theta plus L sin theta much, 2L sin theta, so 2L sin theta what you can write, whole square, which we can write it in this case, so okay, Fe value got it. You divide these both of them, 1 by 2, then what will you get? Tan theta. Tan theta equal to what will you get in this case? Tt will get cancelled, sin theta by cos theta will get cancelled. So Fe by mg, Fe value how much now we got it? Fe by mg. Okay, so what you can write? Tan theta is equal to Fe. What is Fe value? KQ square divided by 2L sin theta whole square. Okay, into mg, mg. And sir, how to find the tension? Don't take the tension to find the tension. 1 square plus 2 square you do it. So t square sin square theta, t square cos square theta. Take t square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what you can write? Fe square plus mg square. You know that this will be 1. So tension equal to what will happen? Sin square root, that's it. What will you get? Root of Fe square plus mg whole square. But in this case, Fe is how much? KQ square by 2L sin theta whole square. Theta value they'll give in the question. Sir, can you show me one numerical? Means I'm going to show you one numerical. This is the last lecture, last question of this lecture. Okay, theta 30 L value 1 meter they given. So how to find tan theta equation? Actually tan theta is equal to what you got it? KQ square divided by 2L sin theta whole square times the mg. Well, we remembered well only equation. Theta value much 30. Tan 30 how much? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to what you can write? KQ square. K value much? 9 into 10 power 9. Q square, sir. Q only we are going to find in this question. Q only asking. So into Q square. Q square value is what? Q square divided by 2L sin theta. 2 into L value. L value much? 1 meter into theta. Theta value much? 30. Sin 30 is much? 1 by 2 whole square into mg. What is m value in this case, sir? M is 9 milligrams. 9 milligrams, how can you write? 9 into 10 power minus 6 kg, sir. Yes, 9 into 10 power minus 6 kg, sir. Into gravity. Gravity value much? 10 you take. If you observe carefully, 9 cancel. Here 1 2 is there. Okay. And this 2 will get cancelled. 1 square is 1 only. Here 1 10 is there. 10 to 10 raised to minus 6. How much is that? 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 5 if you take it here, 10 power 4. 10 power 5, 10 power 5. 10 power 5 plus 10 power 9, 10 power 14. 10 power 14 you send to RHS side, q square is equal to 1 by root 3 into 10 power minus, so 10 power 14. If it come 10 power 14 denominator, again numerator is 10 power minus 14 will get. Therefore q equal to what greater? 1 by 3 power 1 by 4, okay, fourth root, into 10 power minus 14 means 10 power minus 7 coulombs, which we got it. So like this what happened, based on thread charge system we discuss the problems. Okay, so if you like this video, please like the video, okay, share to your friends and subscribe the channel such that next time you'll get the immediate notifications. So you please press the bell icon. Thank you dears, take care, Nana.